Hello and welcome. So today I'm going to show you this vehicle, which is the Affinity M2, and we're going to start off with the most important part, which is the rear. As you can see, it's got an enormous rear, and now the rear part is being organized into making the bed go lower. So first of all, the steps up to the bed came down, then we have another part which came down, and now with a touch of a button the bed will drop down too. So from having the huge storage area but the bed at a height, we've now got a much smaller storage area, but the bed is now more easily accessible from within. So we've got two beds here, singles, but it can, if necessary, I suppose you could try joining it as well. But now let's have a look from the front and the other parts of this vehicle. So this is on MAN basis, 105,000 euros, 684 centimeters in length. I'm just going to have to show it to you while this lady's talking. So there you go. They're in the film up here. So they've got two televisions in, two bicycles in there, not two televisions. And if I come forward now, the point of this here is all this space has been created by getting rid of a forward-facing bench, which is normally in there. But also, I do want to point this out. There's a number of vehicles using this setup now, but here it is much easier to get to the driving position when the table is out down here. I'm not suggesting it's super easy, but it's much easier than most models that I know. Let's have a look in here, which is the washroom, and notice how big this is. This has been set at an angle to allow more efficient use of space in the vehicle. We've got this lovely shower unit, and we've also got the sink there, and there's me in the mirror. Finally, I suppose there's nothing unusual about this. Standard setup in all camper vans. We've got the sink, we've got the two burners, we've got storage below, and over here we have got the fridge as well. So Affinity is made in Poland. It's made to a very high specification, very high standard. So it's definitely a vehicle which I would consider in the high end of the camper van market. It's to say it's not mass produced. I mean, I suppose everything, nothing's mass produced here any longer, but you can certainly tell the difference between this and certain other brands as well. Of course, I mean, it does have a price which reflects quality as well, but this is on an MAN basis. But even the Fiat Ducato models are similar price, but it is really well made. So there you go. That is the Affinity 2M. I'm at Stuttgart CMT. And if you'd like to see more Affinity vans, I filmed all of them. I was at the factory for a very long time. I spent more time at Affinity than any other company, probably more every other company put together. I've spent more time there. So if you're interested to see more, I've got lots more videos. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.